So, hello guys, welcome to my channel. And it was been really busy a couple of weeks and then be late to post a video. But right now, this is my room. It's pretty cool. And I make all of that over, and I'll show you the video what we did on my room most part. So, I'm just showing you guys. This is a dresser. This is my bed. It's pretty awesome. This is my little table to hang out. I could put most of it. See, so the things like I have a light under my bed, like right here. You kind of could tell, but the light didn't turn on for this side. I don't know what's going on. Probably something wrong on it. But over here, look, I ready to turn on. It's pretty cool. Look, they have the light on the night. It's pretty cool. This is what I do to my bed. And it's supposed to be had to put the other side, but I don't know why it's not working. So whatever, I don't wait. This is how my clothes like looking like. This is like a scoop book right there, and then this is all my clothes hanging down. And also it's pretty cool. And I also have a mirror over there. This mirror is pretty weird. Like right here, you see. Oh my god, I'm so short, but I'm not like that short. So this is my desk. Desk. Can you see this mirror? It's pretty awesome, right? I love this mirror and I love this chair. This chair is like a pink. Don't ask me why I was talking so weird because I was chewing something. So this is my room kind of basically look like. It's pretty big. And me and Kira both going to coffee shop to do most cool and good coffee. So let's go. Look at this there.
Allow me.
One day she will break this house. One day you will break this house, right? Look at that.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's so beautiful, of course. So why you hold on my coat?
Because I know you're gonna get cold. Because you always get cold, and then you go, oh, I want to go back.
No, I'm not.
So I'm bringing your coat, and if you don't want it, I will steal it from you. So
I'm not like that person. Why? So you know what's funny? So before I leave the house, my mom said, hey, you should get some coat on. It was pretty freezing outside, so I just wearing this shirt and that jacket. It's pretty like, Mom, it's okay. I'm fine. I'm good. I don't need a coat. And then when I come out, 2 seconds. Oh my god, I need a coat.
5 feet. This is my impression of her. She walked 5 feet and she goes, I'm not cold.
This is not how I do.
And I had to put it on her.
But whatever. You know what? Yeah, whatever. Every single time you should listen to what your mom says.
You listen to what your sister says too.
Oh, I know. Like, first thing she told me to, hey, you should take a coat because it's pretty freezing outside. I said, no, it's not. I feel it's okay.
Right now if it was raining.
And then, that's right. Okay, then.
No, it's okay.
You sure about that? Look her face. Oh my god. So this is a copy. Look, it's so cute. Oh my god.
That was so easy.
Wow, you want to go back and look at your face? Someone got a cheesecake right here.
Keto. It's yummy.
Wow, you could really done. You cannot even open that. Wait, let me try. Look. This is how you. No. Chocolate on for you. That means great. And we have 2 spoons like this. Ready? actually gonna eat this all of it one day.
I could eat the most cheesecake in the world.
Cheers. So me and Kira decided to take picture. Look what it is. She took my picture. It's just like a great
I'm
picture.
doing like cute ones right
That
now.
is really cute. Great
I think
picture.
they're really cute.
But guess how I take picture with Kira? Look. Let's look at my phone.
I could be a model if I wanted to, but then I just...
Her picture's like that, but for me, I'm taking picture like that and that. This is how you push the button. You see that little light over there? It shows them walking. Do that again. Oh wait, it's walking. Let's walk. You see so many birds flying around.
Oh my god, I'm so afraid that they're going to crash on me.
You have no idea where they're going. Look at that. There's so many.
Sure. I used to live next to a neighbor who I went to school with, and I felt really horrible because I'm really slow at running, and he was on basketball team.
I saw him before. He's pretty cute. But they...
Penelope!
but I don't know why I talk about this. But they have clothes on together, I guess. Drake?
Hey Drake, if you're watching this and you lied to me,
Drake probably not gonna see this video.
it's
So
very
yeah,
inappropriate
whatever.
and dumb.
Get ready. Ready?
These people think I'm an idiot.
Ready? Ready? Go! What are you doing? Go!
I'm trying to...
She tried that again. She's just messing, but I didn't get that. Wow, she didn't really get touched that.
Penny.
Look at that. So, we just got that house, and Chelsea's entire house is so quiet. You know what? We are home alone. Whatever, just me and Kia, but Lightning, oh my god, it's so cute.
Oh my god, I have to pee.
So, we just get back, and then the sky's like that. I feel it's gonna raining. But it's just awesome, and then the mirror feels nice. I love my mirror so much. I got my mom buying that because it's so cute. We got that, and then we just called it like 2 minutes ago. They say they just on the store, so they might be back soon. Hey Siri, you know what? I don't see it work. Oh, it do work. Yeah, just a bunch of kids doing weird stuff. So I think we're just like sitting down, waiting for they come back. They might be bringing some dinner, and then we just like sitting down and just watching a show, drawing, have some fun, and yeah, that's what I gotta do. So I think I gotta close our white here. So bye guys, thank you for watching my video, and make sure you subscribe and like and hit the bell, and then bye guys. Hope you be happy, not just right now. Bye.
I love cheese.
Say bye, bro. Stop eating it.
Bye.
Bye.